All right, so we're just starting pouring concrete. Tulungan na natin to dito, Joe, para wala pa si Domingo. Okay,
Domingo.
Oh, he's looking for parking. But this guy, they came here at 7:30. I'm glad I'm here early. Otherwise, this guy maybe take up already. Vámonos. Yeah.
Again.
I think. Do you think you can be able to go to the other side?
Maybe, I don't know.
You have to go through here, right?
Yeah.
Because I think we have to start on the pump on the other side. Unless you want to push here and someone on the other side. I think it's better that way. So you can order to. Let's go ahead and do that.
Okay.
Jay, why don't you go to the other side? Go through with that one, and then he's probably here, Oscar.
You turn the lights inside? What is the... For the turn the lights?
But the thing is, I don't know. Where is the extension cord? The other one. The extension cord, because this is mine from my truck.
I don't know. But this one? There's no one?
Go, Jay. Go the other side, Jay. Para... Oh, shit. All right.
This one?
Yeah, we need to plug it in. Otherwise, they're gonna run out the battery in this one, though. Oh, Domingo, come on. Well, we have to have someone on the other side, no?
Huh?
On the other side. We're gonna start the bottom. Well, I was thinking start on the bottom first, and then move to another side. The bottom first. I don't want to put a concrete here. It might go up the water, the cemento.
Okay.
Do that one, okay, please. Did you find a parking? Yeah, that was better. I don't know. Maybe that's mine. Yeah, yeah. Okay, plug it in, please, so we can kind of get this thing going. So, Jay, why don't you go to the other side? We're gonna kind of, because you're a little bit skinny, and then let's Domingo take her on this side. No, because this is 3 feet. When you put a concrete here, it won't go to the other side. We have to. I think we have to push the hose on the other side, huh?
La luz para allá abajo. Ahí está de aquel lado.
So you want me to go ahead and do it? Or you want me to tell to the guy to start it? Because he's gonna pump it in.
Huh? No, this one. Maybe chiqueta, no good. Yeah.
You wanna go the other side?
I need to go to another side.
Yeah, because
Because I have to
use the what?
Foundation.
The
This living room, right?
the what?
Living room.
Yeah, that's what they call living room. Yes, correct.
Okay.
That's right. Yeah, do
So,
your thing. Yeah,
We're placing here at foundation.
Can you open the door?
the door, the other side. Okay, it's more easy
Just
for
leave it
you.
open and
Okay, much better for you over there.
yeah.
Okay.
You have to go here.
Yeah.
Lights is on.
Let me see if I can open it right now. Now it's open, paisano. Now it's open now.
You
Yeah,
don't have
yeah.
this one?
I don't have the new one. I don't know if I have more.
Wala ka nang gano'n yung pagkaroon sa katawan. Suit. Like a suit.
I don't know if I have more. You guys have to look for in the garage. Okay.
Bien, lo nuevo, pero ese güey tiene rabia, llega todo pinche. Rabioso, cuñado. Todavía anda así. Sí.
Find it?
Listo. Ahí está listo, maestro.
Hold on, we get the. Hold on, tranquilo, my son. He need to put a coat because he need to go to the other side.
Pasarme del otro lado.
Yeah, because
Partirla.
relax, my man. Well, you need to go right away.
Esa hora voy por ahí. Y por Dios,
Is another job site? You need to
overtime por...
overtime. Orale. I have another one.
Okay.
Yeah, use that one for now because we don't have it. I don't know whether you guys put the rest of the new one, so we can get this thing going. Because this guy they don't want to wait.
No. Let me put. Ahí la avisa, maestro. Okay. Ahorita nomás que pase, maestro, le echo un grito. Ahí está el bit. Le eché mi pause con la extensión, el otro es grande.
Yeah, you got you find it? No, because they want to go. That's why. Sige, suotin mo na yan, Jay, para makaano na.
It says you should give me a check,
Yes.
before you start pouring.
Before you start pouring.
I trust you. If you say I'm gonna wait, I'll wait. But
Well,
that's-
can you finish your thing first? I'll have the
Yeah.
check with me.
No,
Yeah,
I
I know.
believe you.
Yeah.
It's what they tell me there.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I'm telling you.
Yeah. No, I already have the check. No problem.
I trust you. Because you're not gonna call me if you don't have it.
No, I have it. No problem. Yeah, I'm glad you remind me.
Directly they give us, they say, collect the money first. Because we do some jobs,
Oh, really?
after you do it, they say, oh, we'll mail it to you.
I mean, yeah, no problem. You do what you have to do.
But I trust you. You give me your word, I trust you.
Yeah.
They ready now?
Huh?
Not yet? We're not ready?
Not yet. They're trying to put their clothes there, and then they want to get going. So you're gonna get over here?
¿Qué tamaño quieren los alambre? ¿Los mismo tamaño? Sí. Ahorita me los paso por acá. Ahorita listo cuando me los eches. Nomás necesito amarrar esta varilla.
Let me know when you're ready, Domingo. I'll talk to the guy to pump it out. Let me see if I can. I think we better put the pump, the hose on the other side. Take a look.